Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Messenger login error and unexpected error occurred. Please try login and again. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in Messenger application. Go to apps info or I button. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Open Play Store or Apps Store. Click on Search. Search Messenger app. Update your Messenger application latest version. Step 3. Restart your device and again open it. Again open your Messenger app. You can follow all of the steps to fix Messenger login error and unexpected error occurred. Please try login in again, problem solved.